What's up, everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. I'm excited today because of 24 GT automatic running 93 octane. We are dyno testing the Roush Launch Edition Supercharger. This is going to be awesome. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us up today. Have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, here's what we have going. 24 GT. Like I said, automatic 93 octane, unmodified car. We're talking, we didn't install lightened driveshaft. We didn't do boostane. We didn't drop the pulley. This car only has 170 miles on it. The one thing we did do was remove the gas that was in it from the dealership because it was pretty bad fuel. I'll maybe talk more about that in a second. It's got fresh 93 octane from the gas station just a mile down the road. But Doug, come down here and take a look. It's a dual throttle body Roush combined effort with Magnuson TVS 2650 Supercharger. You're going to run your factory throttle bodies, factory air induction. We did not modify any of this. No long tubes, no tricks. This is a cool setup. I've driven it. It has so much torque. It's awesome. I'm going to take it to the track this week. I can't wait to see the numbers. Check out this dyno pole. Now, another thing pretty exciting about the Supercharger is the wine. We finally have some wine back. I know that means a lot to a lot of you. A lot of you like leave comments or call us, say, I want a Supercharger with some wine. This baby has it. Sorry if I look sweaty. It's over 90 degrees. And this is August in Indiana, so we don't have really good air, but check it out. Stock, DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5. Stock, we're making these poles in 6th. 405 real horsepower, 358 torque. Out of the box, with the correct fuel, 93 octane, 682 real horsepower, peaking at 7,400 RPM. Torque comes in awesome, 557 at 5,100. And then I did change the wheels because I'm getting ready to go to the track. I want to see what's it going to make with the other wheels. 693 real horsepower at 7,500, torque 561. We'll take a look. What wheels did I switch to? This is a pretty base automatic car, cloth interior. But I did put my race stars on it because that is what I'm going to run on the track, and that is what I wanted to run on the street, because with stock wheels and stock tires, mainly your stock tires, this is just blows them off going down the road. So I wanted something sticky on it. So in the description, I'm going to put a link to this Supercharger. And Roush did a very good job this year on this kit, telling you everything in it, you know, dual intercooled, 84 millimeter pulley. We're coming in at 12 pounds of boost. It runs down through the list. You can click on it, read a lot more about it. And like I said, subscribe, notify us if we're in Indiana. Maybe you want something like this installed. It's the Launch Edition. You can email quote@brentspeed.com, or in that description, you can just open it up, click on it, and we can ship these right to your door. But I'm pretty pumped. 24 GT, it's an automatic, no tricks, no nothing, no drive shaft, like I said, no smaller pulley, no boostane. But we are going to do that, so stick around. That's why I'd like you to subscribe, because I'm really excited about this. It's kind of like a development time. We put this on, this is Monday, so we put this on Friday, made a quick rip to make sure everything was good. It was. Making this video today, hit the track this week, and I can't wait to see the numbers. Thanks so much for watching.